Okay, today's video is going to be involving a way to make a light for an action camera. So from a previous project, you're going to need to make this. It's uploaded in the area where I'd want to say the DIY section and the how to record YouTube videos. This is a selfie stick attachment, so it's super easy to make. You just need a thumb screw, an undersized bit size, so with this taps in, and then you need your action camera attachment. Okay, so that being stated, this is from a previous project. You're going to be needing this main part, which is a 4-way 3/4 cold water attachment. You're going to be needing a long piece of PVC, flashlight. Flashlight is those military style flashlights. As a matter of fact, you can even see the type there. It's a T6 LED. The battery is part of the flashlight assembly, but I'm going to show you a really cool thing about it in just a little bit. The cap that's over here is spare. It'll be part of the description towards the end. You're going to need a ruler for approximation in length. It doesn't have to be an exactitude type of length. It's just an approximation. That's all. You can cut to length to preference. Permanent marker, and of course a PVC cutting tool. Now I'm not going to be using the PVC cutting tool in the video. I'm just showing you what it's going to take. All the parts are already pre-cut. It takes a little bit too long, and this video would usually be about 30 minutes long. Okay, so here's the part of the video that is pretty straightforward. Here's the top of the attachment. So as you can see here, this has been narrowed by a little bit by the PVC cutting tool. So you can use this to go in here. Makes a snug fit. The battery, it serves as an extra battery compartment. And then you can plug this in with plastic or cotton or something. Plug this in with cotton to keep the battery dry and to keep it from rattling around. And it serves as a battery compartment for this type of LED light. Okay, so that's the cool feature of this. You attach the 4-way to the PVC pipe. Okay, you take the flashlight and you put it in here, this T6 size flashlight, and then you attach the rest of the PVC items accordingly. Okay, and there you go. A light for your action camera. It's a holder. Okay, the holder allows you to illuminate your action camera. Okay, your action camera goes here, or your cell phone. Flashlight goes in here. And there you go. It's a holder in itself. Okay, so that's the video for today. Pretty straightforward. The only measurement you need to keep in mind is this one right here. You want to measure out the length of the battery, which is roughly about, I want to say about 7 centimeters. Now you want to make the battery compartment just a little bit larger in case you want to attach possibly a charging cable or something else. So your bottom of your handle can be a storage compartment. That's what the extra cap is for. You cap it off, and you can put a charging cable in here for your action camera and something that's going to charge your battery. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside just for a little bit. I'm going to take it back apart. Alright, so here's your setup. I'm going to put it back together, allowing me the opportunity to talk about the leftover PVC. You can make another selfie stick out of it. All you need in total, and trust me when I tell you this, go out to your plumbing section of your hardware store and buy 4 to 5 of these 3/4 PVC caps. Now the reason why you want to buy extra is because you can use it to cap off for a storage compartment. Takes 2, or to make an extra selfie stick attachment. Either way, you're going to need 2 for a selfie stick attachment, and then another 2 for the one that holds the LED light. So right off the bat, you're already using 5 of them. Well, not really 5, 4, but trust me, you're going to use the 5th one real quickly for another project or so. So, that's the video for today. We'll see you on the next one, and just keep in mind, PVC is the key. 3/4 cold water is the size. Okay. So, sorry there aren't any bonuses. I guess the bonus would be that the rubber bands are the ones that hold the light in the holder. Okay. Put the rubber bands on this side. So there you go. That's the video for today. I know I've repeated that several times, but I'm trying to keep my thoughts rolling forward so I can terminate this video. You can make, let's see, 2 different selfie sticks. One that's a LED light holder. One that's another length. So you have this left over. Actually, it should be the other way around. Alright. Okay. The longer length PVC is the one that's part of your selfie stick. And the one that's left over should be the one for the new selfie stick. Smaller grip handle. I did that backwards. Okay. So that's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one.